A is for apple. Apple. Now you try. Oh, that was great. Next up is B. B is for bowl. Bowl. Repeat after me. Awesome job. And C is for cat. Cat. Say it with me. Perfect. D is for dog. Dog. Let me hear you. Good. And we have E is for elephant. Elephant. Your turn. F is for fish. Fish. Come on, shout it out. And G is for girl. Girl. Say it nice and loud. All right. H is for hat. Hat. Let me hear you chant it. Excellent. Now, moving on to I, we want to make sure we say this one nice and clean. I is for igloo. Igloo. You try. Really great job. And J is for juice. Juice. Chant it right back to me. Okay, and K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Say it with a little bounce. L is for lion. Lion. Your turn.
For the letter M, we make an sound. Rub your tummy like you just ate something super yummy. Tummy. Great.
And jumping smoothly right to the next sound in our journey, N is for nose. Nose. Let me hear ya. O is for octopus. Octopus. Let me hear those voices. Fantastic. P is for pig. Pig. Your turn. And Q is for queen. Queen. Say it loud and proud. R is for ring. Ring. Let me hear you. Next up, let's make this sound super crisp and clear. S is for sun. Sun. Say it with a big hiss. And finally, maybe the most important letter of our journey today, T is for train. Train. Choo-choo. Your turn. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Echo it back to me. Great. V is for van. Van. You try. Now for W, let's say it nice and clean. W is for watch. Watch. Let me hear you one more time. X is for box. Box. Say it with me. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Let me hear it. And Z is for zoo. Zoo. Wow, no way. We actually did it. We reached the very end of our letter journey.